Hi children, good morning. Yes, today I am taking social science class for 7th standard student. Topic is lesson number 3, Bhakti cult and Sufi heritage. In previous class we have already learned about the Bhakti cult and also Sufi saints of South India and also North India. Read about the Andala Akkamadevi, Purandaradasa, Kanakadasa, Shishunala Sharifa, and Bhakti heritage of in North India, Kabiradasa, Guru Nanak, Tulsi Dasa. You have studied. Today, let us learn about the Mirabai 1498 to 1569 CE, Chaitanya 1485 to 1533 CE, and influence of Bhakti cult, heritage of Sufi, essence of Sufi cults, Nizamuddin, Aulia, and Kawaz Bande Nawaz. Okay children, let us come to the lesson. Okay children, today let us learn about the Mirabai. Mirabai 1498 to 1569 CE. Mirabai is a renowned saint of India. Mirabai is uh, renowned saint of India and is called as a Radha of Kali Yuga, and she was born in Rajput family in Rajasthan. She is called the Radha of Kali Yuga, and she was born in Rajput family in Rajasthan. She was Raja Ratan Singh's daughter. She married Prince of Mewar. She loved philosophy from her childhood. So she spent her time in offering puja. In childhood also she loved philosophy from her childhood, and also she spent her time in offering the puja, meditation and singing. Her mother-in-law opposed her worshipping Lord Krishna. Her mother-in-law means ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅತ್ತೆ, ಅವರ ಅತ್ತೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಅತ್ತೆ ಇವರು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಪೂಜಿಸೋದನ್ನು ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಮೀರಾಬಾಯಿ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಾಲರೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟಾಲರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ she left for Brindavan and pilgrimage places of Sri Krishna. She went to the Brindavan and pilgrimage places of Sri Krishna. Her songs are full of devotion and love. Her songs are full of devotion and love. Giridhara Gopala is her favorite god. She has remained eternal due to her thousands of ಭಜನಾಸ್. ಅವರ ಭಜನೆ ಹಾಡುಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡಲ್ಲ, ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಭಜನಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಚೈತನ್ಯ. ಚೈತನ್ಯ 1485 to 1533 CE. Chaitanya was born in a Nabadvip Dham Nadia in Bengal in 1485 CE. Jagannath Mishra and Sridevi were his parents. Jagannath Mishra and Sridevi were his parents. Vishwambara was his original name. Chaitanya's original name is Vishwambara. Ishwarapuri was his guru. His guru was Vishwarapuri, and Chaitanya left his family life and took sannyasa at the age of 25. Chaitanya left his family life and took sannyasa at the age of the 25. He rejected casteism. He also rejected the casteism. Bhakti is the only way to attain mukti. Bhakti is the only way to attain mukti. Universal love is the first step towards the God. Universal love is the first step towards the God. He said he traveled to holy places of India and spread the message of love. He also traveled to holy places of India and also spread the message of love. Love, brotherhood, and generosity are the essence of his teachings. Love, brotherhood, and generosity are the essence of his teachings. Today's Hare Krishna cult has been influenced by him. Today's Hare Krishna cult was influenced by the Chaitanya. The Bengalis call him the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and also treat him as the incarnation of Lord Krishna. Next come to influence of Bhakti culture. Result. Bhakti saints created harmony between the Hindu and Muslims. Bhakti saints, what they created? They created a harmony between the Hindu and Muslims. Bhakti saints wrote in simple common man's language. It is wrote in the simple common man's language. This enriched the language of the common man. This enriched the language of the common man. Next come to heritage of Sufi. Just as Kabir, Kanakadasa, Chaitanya and others brought new awareness among the Hindus. Just as Kabir, Kanakadasa, Chaitanya and others brought a new awareness among the Hindus. ಹೊಸ ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಹಿಂದೂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. Sufi saints brought awareness among the Muslims. Sufi saints also brought awareness among the Muslims, and Kabir Das, Kanakadas, Chaitanya brought the awareness among the Hindus. They worked for the harmony between the Hindus and Muslims. They worked for the harmony between the Hindus and Muslims. The Sufi cult originated in the Arabia and entered India later. The Sufi cult was originated in the Arabia and entered India later. The word Sufi comes from the word Saf, which means the clean and clear. The word Sufi comes from the word Saf, which means the clean and clear. The Sufi saints were mystics and used to wear a woolen dresses. The Sufi saints were mystics and they used to wear a woolen dresses. Next come to essence of Sufi cult. God is one, he is powerful, we are all his children. God is one, he is very powerful and we are all his children. And also encourage good deeds, all are equal, opposed caste system. These are the essence of Sufi cult, children. Next, later on, Sufis were influenced by Yoga, Vedanta and Buddhist thoughts. Dharma means love, service to mankind is important, are some of the philosophical thoughts of Sufis. Next come to the Nizamuddin Auliya. Nizamuddin Auliya is one of the main Sufi saints. He lived in Delhi and lived a life of poverty. He is one of the main Sufi saints. Who? Nizamuddin Auliya. And he lived in Delhi and he lived a life of poverty. He also lived a life of a poverty. Masjid with thatched roof was a center of activity. He refused the village gifted by Sultan of Delhi. He preached to the devotees who visited him to practice good qualities and kindness. Nizamuddin Auliya he was one of the main Sufi saints and also he lived in Delhi. He lived in Delhi and he lived his life of poverty. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಬಡತನದ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಜೀವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈ ಲಿವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಸ್ಜಿದ್ ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ರೂಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವರು ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ವಿಲೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಯಾರು? ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ವಿಲೇಜನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು? ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಈ ಪ್ರೇಚ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ devotees who visited him. He preached the devotees who visited him to practice good qualities and kindness. Next come to Khawaja Bande Nawaz. Bande Nawaz is a famous Chishti Sufi saint. He was the disciple of Nazaruddin of Delhi. Bande Nawaz is a famous Chishti Sufi saint. He was the disciple of Nazaruddin of Delhi. Bande Nawaz means protector of those who come to his shelter. Bande Nawaz means what? Protector of those who come ಟು ಈಸ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್. ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ನೆರವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಬಂದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು? ನೆರಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಈಸ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸುದ ರಾಜ್. ಜಸುದ ರಾಜ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸುದ ರಾಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾರಿಡ್. ಈ ನ್ಯೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್, ಅರಾಬಿಕ್, Persia, Dakani and many more languages. He also knew a Sanskrit, Arabic, Parsi, Dakani means Urdu language and also many more languages. He settled in Kalburgi. He settled in the Kalburgi. He was respected by the king of Firoz Shah. He settled in Kalburgi and also he was respected by the king Firoz Shah. He wrote in Dakhani language. His literature is still preserved in Kalburgi library. He wrote a literature in Dakhani language. Still it was preserved in Kalburgi library. Every year his urs is held in Kalburgi. Every year ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಉರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. Next come to the Chishti sect. In Sufi cult, Chishti sect is important. In Sufi cult, Chishti sect is important. Moinuddin Chishti is the founder of this. In Sufi cult, Chishti sect is very important and Moinuddin Chishti is the founder of this Chishti Sufi cult, Chishti sect. He came and settled in Ajmer. He came and settled in the Ajmer. Devotion towards God, service to Guru, good life are the main features of Chishti followers. Devotion towards God, service to Guru and good life are the main features of the Chishti followers. He had concern of harmony of Hindu and Muslims. He wrote in Dakhani Urdu language. Salim Chishti from Fatehpur Sikri was famous among them. Also he wrote a Dakhani in Dakhani language and Salim Chishti from Fatehpur Sikri was famous among them. Okay children, see here. Can you see the picture children? Yes, this is Salim Chishti's tomb. It is in Agra. Where it is? It is in Agra. Okay. So, see here. Lohri, today's Pakistan, Sheikh Ismail, Ajmer, Kawaz, Moinuddin Chishti, Delhi, Nizamuddin Auliya, Arcot, Tippu, Mastara Auliya and Kalburgi, Kawaz, Bande, Nawaz. And also come to Chornalazi, Nizamuddin Auliya, 1238 to 1325 CE, Kabir Das, 1440 to 1518 CE, Guru Nanak, 1469 to 1539 CE, Purandaradasa 1480 to 1564 CE, Chaitanya 1485 to 1533 CE, Mirabai 1498 to 1569 CE, Kanakadasa 1508 to 1606 CE, Tulasi Das 1532 to 1623 CE. Okay children, lesson is finished. See the board? Yes, can you see? Homework is there for you. Yes, see who is called as Radha of Kali Yuga. What is the meaning of the word Sufi? Name Sufi saints of India. Okay, write this question answer 2 times. Okay, can you see? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Bye.